Kaziranga, a land where escape does not exist, even for the fiercest hunters. It is not a barren desert, but the beating heart of nature in the northeast of India, a place where every breath of wind and every drop of dew becomes part of the endless symphony of life. Each dawn, a white mist unfurls gently across the vast plains, wrapping them in its tender embrace. Within this soft veil, the silent footsteps of the hunter and the wary gaze of the prey intertwine in an ancient dance dot in the distance. A Bengal tiger hides beneath the heavy shadows of the forest. It waits, motionless, patient, its golden eyes fixed on the horizon, ready to strike like lightning at the slightest mistake. But danger in Kaziranga does not belong solely to the ground. High above, beyond the drifting clouds, another predator watches, silent, patient, and precise, always ready to descend in an instant. It is the crested eagle, the huntress of the sky. She rules the laws of existence with the thunder of her wings, the whisper of the wild grass, and the echo of her call that trembles through the heavens. These are the sounds that carve themselves deep into the memory of every creature that dwells in this place. Hidden within the dark green canopy, her strong body, cloaked in deep brown feathers, nearly vanishes in shadow. Across her back, faint, white specks gleam like shooting stars crossing a midnight sky. Her gaze is sharp and profound, glinting like a blade in the pale light of morning. It is a silent warning to any who dare to challenge her reign. Those eyes do not merely watch, they read. Every twitch, every heartbeat, every breath beneath the thick grass reveals itself to her. Yet what sets her apart is the slight upward tilt of her head, the calm lift of her gaze, a proud, unshaken posture that seems to live forever on the fragile border between life and death. The crested eagle is more than a predator. She is a symbol of wisdom, patience, and deadly precision. In this realm where every mistake is paid for in blood, she has mastered the art of concealing all weakness. Then, a faint tremor stirs in the grass, no louder than a sigh from the heart of the earth. She has sensed it. Her target moves below. A snake, gliding silently through dew-draped roots, its movements smooth and liquid, like flowing water. The serpent is agile, but unhurried. Above, the eagle stands frozen, talons gripping the tree's rough bark with the strength of steel. The leaves murmur in the wind, but she does not move. Time stretches. The wind shifts direction. The snake continues, each motion fluid, cautious, and deliberate. Every pause, every flick of its tongue is measured by her cold, unblinking eyes. There is no joy in her patience, no tremor of excitement, only the stillness of absolute control. Then, in a heartbeat, she strikes. A blur of motion, a rush of wind, and her talons close like iron around her prey. The serpent thrashes wildly, coiling and twisting in its final struggle. But its fate is sealed, not her shadow passes across the grass. A dark omen and a quiet reminder of the ruthless laws that rule the jungle dot in Kaziranga. Every instant is a trial, and not every creature leaves victorious. Yet after the storm of life and death, the land returns to stillness. The wind of early summer carries the rich scent of the forest, weaving between treetops. The fierce rhythm of survival softens into a quieter, deeper melody, the gentle pulse of life that never truly stops. Now, instead of the sound of claws tearing flesh, another song rises, the call of love echoing through the high canopies of Kaziranga. Upon a dry branch reaching for the open sky, a bird spreads its wings and lifts its head proudly. It does not sing loudly, but its quiet voice fills the entire forest. High above, where the wind moves freely, two birds meet. Every motion is light as breath. Every glance lingers, fragile as silk, afraid to disturb the delicate harmony suspended between heaven and earth dot. But the crested eagle is not the only ruler of the sky. When she retreats into shadow, beneath the thick foliage that muffles every sound, Another power ascends to take her place, the variable hawk. This is a creature born from adaptability, shaped to survive among the wild diversity of the forest. It is not majestic or solemn like the eagle, but it commands respect through its agility and boldness. Slender, striped in black across its chest and belly, it moves with a grace that hides immense power. Its deep brown eyes shine like tranquil lakes, yet within them stirs a hidden storm. The variable hawk's feathers blend white and dark brown in shifting tones. No two birds alike, yet all share the same deadly instinct, to wait and to strike with purpose. Unlike the eagle, it never stays still. It glides along the forests, edge soaring just above the treetops, watching every bush, every clearing, every heartbeat of life below. Nothing escapes its notice. Then, with a single, effortless beat, it drops, a shadow falling from the heavens. Its talons strike like judgment. Its prey is as varied as its name. Small birds, lizards, snakes, flying squirrels, bats, even young monkeys. In Kaziranga, one careless move can turn any creature into a victim. But this is not mere violence. Every hunt,